Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the color of section tabs in OneNote. This is a fantastic way to organize your notebooks visually and make it easier to distinguish between different sections at a glance. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Wait for the notebook to fully load so all your sections are visible and ready to work with. This ensures that any changes you make will be properly saved and displayed. Once your notebook has been loaded, changing the section tab color is actually quite straightforward. First, locate the section you wish to change the color on. These section tabs are typically displayed across the top or side of your notebook, depending on your view settings. Now, right-click on the section tab you've selected. When you do this, you'll see a context menu appear with several options for managing that section. From this context menu, look for an option labeled Section Color. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over Section Color. As you hover, you'll see all the available colors you can use for your section tab. OneNote provides a nice range of color options to help you categorize and organize your work effectively. Whether you want to use bright colors for urgent projects or softer tones for reference materials, the choice is yours. Simply click on the color you want to select it. The moment you click, the section tab color will change immediately. You'll notice the visual difference right away, making it much easier to identify that particular section when you're navigating through your notebook. This simple color coding system can dramatically improve your workflow, especially if you're managing multiple sections for different subjects, projects, or categories. By assigning specific colors to specific types of content, you create a visual system that makes navigation faster and more intuitive. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the color of a section tab in OneNote, making your notebook more organized and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.